Okay, so I've got Moldstar series. Oh, Moldstar 15 slow. Pot life is 50 minutes and demold time is 4 hours. So we're going to try this one. I've never tried this one before. So we're just going to pour equal parts into this big cup. Here we go. I'm going to pour it from high up. Okay, this is nice and solid. Oh, I see a problem. I'm not quite sure why this is happening to me. See how this is still a jelly form? I'm not quite sure what to do. I'll take this off so that air can get to it, at least. And then I'll check it in a few hours. Maybe it doesn't like the stone. Because these are stones, I think. Okay, it's okay around the outside edges, just not okay around the stones. I wonder if it's too cold. I think I will turn the heater on down here and have it blowing. See if that dries it out. Now I know I mixed it thoroughly. I do know that silicone will not cure if it's against sulfur. Doggone it, guys! Okay, it's been 2 weeks since I did this mold, and I just stuck it underneath my table. I just wanted to give it some time to see if maybe it would cure. So we're going to take out this piece right here, and I can already tell it. I am not going to be able to use this mold. You see that goopy stuff in there? We'll see you next time. Love you.